Being a leader isn't something you can stake a claim to or buy. Being a leader is something you work hard for. And for over 50 years, Hilti has worked hard to bring leading innovation to the job site. It started with Hilti's first rotary hammer, the TE-17, designed with a revolutionary new electro-pneumatic hammering mechanism that transformed concrete drilling with its incomparable speed and reliability. The performance and technology made the TE-17 a legend on the job site. And for over half a century, we haven't slowed down. We continue to innovate and revolutionize how contractors perform concrete drilling and demolition work. Now we are bringing to the job site the newest generation of the TE-70 ATC AVR combination hammer drill. It outperforms all like tools in its class, drilling larger holes faster and breaking concrete more efficiently than previously thought possible. We're more committed than ever to support you with our latest innovations. And not just our breakers, rotary, and combination hammers, but also our drill bits, chisels, and valuable tool services to help you get jobs done with more safety and productivity. Hilti, as dependable today as 50 years ago.